party. It's a party, man. What are you doing? Real clean. Real clean.
Party hard.
Real clean party.
Whoa.
All right. Good night.
Good night.
It doesn't hurt.
Oh, okay, okay.
See?
Here.
He was just a little aggressive with mine.
Hey.
I want one now.
Hey, ducky duck. Look, you don't shoot him out.
He's jealous.
He's done.
He's jealous.
No, you come here. Play there. He's mad. Oh, they're leaving. They're like.
Oh, feisty.
Wow.
That is stiff. That is like hard plastic.
I'm taking you home.
Oh, you're like a little woodpecker.
It sounds like a dinosaur. Yeah. You ever watch Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Don't eat the leaf. Eat the other stuff, not the leaf. Can't pet you? Nope, you might bite me.
Would it bite?
I don't know, go for it.
No, it's fine. It's
We
okay.
just shared all of our ganger.
All right, boys, we made it. Kendall's here in the flesh and blood. Everybody's here in the flesh and blood. Y'all say hello.
My car's not busting for once for you, Nate.
Appreciate that. It's good. It's good. It's good. Real clean. Everybody's here.
You know what I'm saying?
Pablo showing off the red interior. Have y'all seen the red interior yet? Have y'all seen the interior, man? Y'all seen that? Would you look at that? It's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. We're here, Disneyland Park. There's a little pre-meet going on there, all washing cars and stuff. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. So this is the house we backed out of. I know, I feel bad I backed out, but I really was scared trying to park the trailer here. It was so bad trying to park it, and we couldn't even fit like 7 cars in here. Ben's trying to show the game room real quick, but it's a really beautiful house. It's an awesome house. They really did great with this. This is somewhere to park the freaking car in the trailer would have been all right. Look at this, look at Ben's game room, man. Look at Ben, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. Throw it in there. Woo!
Clean rocket shit, free.
Holy shit.
Yeah. It's lightweight, man. LTW kit, you know what I'm saying? Lightweight. That fork look like Kevin.
Appreciate it.
Make weight. What's in the mamas?
Okay. Jesse, the head of the table.
You should have seen us down here before. Because they do this every Friday. Every Friday night they come here.
Alright guys, there was finally not a lot of music. We could finally kind of get away for a second and kind of get out here to the outside. The boys are going to get us some food, some clean food back here. I have no idea where. There's no food here but like some $5 corn dogs and $4 water that is not hitting. So We're going back over here though. I gotta move the car for this Supra. It just arrived. I can CES booth, and we're gonna move this car, go from there. Birthday, dear Connor. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Clean double drive-through, man. Clean double drive-through. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the beautiful South Carolina. We have some Florida weather that came down with us, and it is awesome. I'm super thankful for it. The trip was great. The trip was really good. We enjoyed Bimmer Invasion so much. I looked forward for the trip all year, and it did not disappoint. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed getting together with everybody, hanging out, seeing all the beautiful builds, all the beautiful cars. Some people work on these builds all year just to make it this event, just to show it off, and it shows. These cars are immaculate. Some of these cars are amazing. So this garage car was there, super clean E92 M3. It was great. It was great. Guys, I hope you were there. I saw some of you. I didn't see all of you. It was super cool to meet everybody and put a face to a name for some people. Met a bunch of cool people. Met Carl from Active. Met Nick from Active Auto Work. We met Nick G. Had dinner with Nick G. That was insane. And we just got to hang out with a bunch of cool people. House was pretty sick, and just all the little roads around there. And got to go to Disney and take the girls, and they really liked that, so that was really cool. But guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. It lets me know if I'm doing good or if I'm doing bad. Drop a comment down below if you were there. What was the coolest car you saw at Invasion? Was it my car? Just kidding, it definitely wasn't. There's so many more cool builds out there. They're awesome. What was your favorite car? Post that down below in the comments below. Your favorite car at Bimmer Invasion 2023. Let us know, guys. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Hope you have an awesome time, and I cannot wait to show you what we have in store next. There's a very big surprise coming, and you will not believe it. And I am super excited to share it with you guys, show it to you guys, and experience it for myself. It's an awesome surprise, very unexpected. We were supposed to go a different route, but we ended up going this route, and I could not be happier with it, and I cannot wait to show you guys in the next one.